In this video, I will show you how to change night light strength in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Let's say for any reasons you love to change the strength of your night lights on your Windows, right? Click on this, click on the settings. This is the system, right? We are going to click right now, click on this display. Once you have clicked on it, wait for it to open up, right? This is our night light. So if I turn our night lights on, right, I'm going to click on here. For you to be able to adjust or change the strength, you're going to be using this, right? It's currently in default 8. If I take this down, you can see 0. If I take this to the last, that is 100, you can see how it's going to be appearing, right? So I'm going to just take it back to the 48 it was currently at, right? So this is how you can change night light strength on your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.